This farmer hasn't touched his tractor today, yet his farm is already working. While he watches, AI connects the sensors, machines, irrigation, and drones into one intelligent system.
Hidden sensors constantly monitor the soil and tell the AI exactly what the crops need.
The soil gets dry, water turns on. Moisture is enough, the system shuts it off.
Then the drones take off, scanning the crops without the farmer controlling them.
In minutes, AI analyzes thousands of plants and searches for anything unusual. Then suddenly, a warning appears. Something isn't right. The farmer doesn't start the tractor, AI does, and sends it straight to the problem.
Every movement is calculated, minimizing unnecessary work while protecting the crops.
Then the AI detects something even more serious, a storm approaching the farm. Within seconds, the farm changes its plan. Every machine responds automatically. The storm hits hard, but the automated farm has already prepared. By morning, the farmer returns, and the drones are already checking the crops.
AI compares the new data and instantly creates a fresh plan for the farm.
Then harvest arrives. Machines coordinate the work, while the farmer watches from the sidelines.
It's not a farm without a farmer. It's a farm where technology does the repetitive work, and the future may already be here.
This farm practically runs itself. Would you trust AI to run yours?
Make sure to subscribe to Madallah TV. Give us a big thumbs up right now, and share this video with your friends.